Welcome back to the channel. Bukoola Peter here. We are finally here. Drawings in our introduction to SolidWorks beginner series, and today we are kicking into the most practical skills of how to import and work with CAD files in SolidWorks. If you got legacy in 2D drawings from AutoCAD, like the old DWG files, maybe from clients, suppliers, or your own past projects, this is a game changer. Instead of you drawing everything from scratch, you can bring those files right into SolidWorks, clean them up, and use them as reference. Maybe you create professional drawings or even convert 2D views into full 3D models. So let's jump in. So in our SolidWorks, we click on Open. By default, SolidWorks, when you install it, comes with some support files. So we're going to be locating that support file, but we have to first change to AutoCAD, WG, or DXF. So we go to local disk C, open program files, go to users, go to public, under public go to public documents, SolidWorks, depending on the version you're using, go to samples, and then tutorial, go to AutoCAD, and then select this file and press open. So this panel will come and pop up. You have to make some small changes here. Well, by default, it's so we have to make sure that the create new SolidWorks drawing and convert to SolidWorks entities is selected, as we have in the panels. Press next. Press next again, and then here you have to make sure the center in sheet is selected. You can leave the rest of the settings in default and save finish. So it will load our files into SolidWorks. So here you're going to change the layer colors. So you have to go in layer properties, or you can first search the layer properties up here. I'll show you how to locate the layer properties later, but for now you look for a center, change it from green to dark purple. Center is here. Click on green and then change it to dark purple. Press OK. Do the same for sections, DIMs, and revision. And press OK. So we are going to select a zoom to area and we zoom to this circle. So we are going to select by left clicking and dragging to the right and delete all these circles apart from the top circle. We also don't need these for now. First delete them. It's giving us some make sure I delete everything. So you zoom out by scrolling out, and then you put your cursor to where you want to zoom in and you scroll in, so it will zoom into that area where you want to focus. So we go to sketch, smart dimension, and we give this one a dimension of 0.1005. We will build. We right click on the dimension and click hide. So we're going to create a circular pattern for this circle, and we are going to change the radius to 1.625 inches and the angle to 270. Then press OK. Now we are going to add a note to our circle. So you go to annotation, click note, we drag and left click to confirm, then we type in this information. So we write 4 by, type in 4 by, and then in the text format we go to add symbol here, and then we get the symbol for diameter, write 0.201, we press enter, we add in the symbol for diameter again, and we type in 3.25 BC. We zoom to area, we zoom into this table. So I'm going to make some edits on this table since I had made some edits on this table, but we're going to first remove these lines so that we follow the tutorial, see how we can, modify the table. So we did all these lines. So in sketch, we go to offset. Oh, we first lock the layout. We right click on the layout. I'd locked the layout already. So if I'm going to first unlock, then make sure you lock the sheet focus. Then go to offset, click this line, type 0.28, and then press OK. Go to trim extend, first right click on the dimensions and click on hide. We are going to trim extend these lines, so we go to extend trims, then select these lines. This one we are going to add it manually because I had deleted the line which was an attachment to it. So we go to line, we zoom in, make sure it's coinciding, and then we draw a line up to bottom line. So we are going to be copying this information and filling in this table, modifying it. This is a manual of doing it, but later on we shall see the quickest way, automatic way. So me, what I do, I press Control and then click and drag with a left click, and then I press where I want the text where I want it to be, then I modify it. So we are doing the same things. You can either click and copy and it's all the same. So make sure you fill in all the information the way you see it in the table. I don't want to make the video too long, but it's the same thing you're doing. So here maybe something before zoom to feed, then zoom to area. We zoom into this area. Here on revision, you have to double click and change it to B. Initially it's A, but you have to change it to B. Then save your file. And that's the wrap up for this lesson on basics in our introduction to SolidWorks series. So thanks for following along step by step. If this cleared up any confusion or helped you in your projects, give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps more beginners discover these tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.